In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up redirect rules in Cloudflare, a process that can help you streamline how traffic is managed on your website. Redirecting traffic can be a powerful tool, ensuring that visitors are sent to the correct pages even if they initially enter an outdated or incorrect URL. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the knowledge to create a basic redirect rule using Cloudflare, an essential skill for anyone managing a website. Let's dive right in by navigating to Cloudflare. Begin by opening your web browser and typing in the Cloudflare URL, or you can simply search for Cloudflare login in your preferred search engine if you're not quite sure about the link. Once you're there, you're going to want to log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to take advantage of Cloudflare's features. Now that you're logged in, it's time to go to your domain. You should see a list of your domains on your Cloudflare dashboard. Click on the domain for which you want to set up the redirect rules. Once you've selected your domain, you'll be directed to that domain's particular overview page. In the next step, look for an option labeled Rules on your dashboard. Click on it. This is where you have the control to apply different actions like redirects, which is what we are focusing on today. On this page, you'll want to click on Create Rule. This allows you to set specific rules tailored to your site's needs. After clicking on it, you'll see several types of rules that you can create. But for this tutorial, we want to concentrate on redirect rules. By selecting redirect rules, you're telling Cloudflare how to handle incoming requests, specifically directing users to different URLs when certain conditions are met. Click on this option to proceed, and you will enter the redirect rule creation interface. Once you're here, you can specify the conditions and the URL patterns you want to apply the redirect to. For example, if you want to redirect traffic from an old subdomain to a new one, you need to input the appropriate patterns and the destination URLs. Be sure to take your time in this section and correctly enter the patterns and URLs. This ensures users are directed exactly to where they need to go. And there you have it. Once everything's set, your redirect rule will be active. It's as simple as that. Redirects usually happen almost instantaneously, but if you're testing it, make sure to clear your browser cache to see the changes effectively. Congratulations on taking this step toward better domain management. With these skills, you can help maintain your website's functionality and offer a seamless experience for your users. Thanks for following along, and don't forget to check out other ways Cloudflare can optimize your website management.